Hello, my dear.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, xin chào. Hi,
Chào.
hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, teacher is also fine and great. Okay. What did you do today? Did you play,
Mm,
read books, or what did you do? Play or read books or watch TV?
Play.
Oh, you can say, I played today.
I played today.
Okay. What did you play? A doll?
Uh,
A teddy bear?
mm,
Did you play a teddy bear like this? Oh, where is it? Here. Okay, do you have a toy, my dear? Can you show teacher your toy?
Is the teddy bear and doll.
Oh, you have a teddy bear and doll. Oh, can you open your camera, my dear? Can you show teacher your doll?
Mm, uh,
Can you open your camera so that teacher can see you?
mm,
Okay, okay, here. Can you? Oh no, sorry. Okay, teacher will ask you, can you open your camera and show teacher your doll?
Con có thể mở camera và cho cô giáo xem búp bê của con được không?
Okay.
camera.
Yes.
Ờ, camera nó bật được.
Oh, your camera not working. Is your camera broken?
Máy ảnh của bạn bị hỏng à?
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Okay, my dear, it's okay. Okay, but tonight we will have a question and answer game. Okay, we will play first. Okay, here. Okay, teacher will ask you this one and you will answer. Okay? Okay, here
Okay.
we go. What is your name?
My name is Thư.
Okay, very good. You can also say, how about you? What is your name? How about you, teacher? What is your name?
uh, I am
Okay,
Ed.
you ask teacher, my dear. Okay, again. Here you ask. Okay, you ask teacher the same question.
Bạn hỏi giáo viên câu hỏi tương tự.
À,
Okay, okay, let's go back.
okay.
Okay. Again, here we go. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Thư. What is your name?
Very good. My name is Teacher Bem. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old. How old are you?
I'm 38 years old. Where are you from?
I am from Vietnam.
Very good.
Where are you from?
I am from the Philippines. What is your favorite color?
My favorite my my favorite color
Favorite,
is
favorite, favorite.
red. My favorite color is pink.
Oh, pink.
What is your favorite color?
Okay. Oh, by the way, my dear. Okay, let's say this again. Okay, here. Favorite.
Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Again.
Favorite.
Okay, again, my dear.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Okay, very good. Now let's go back. Okay, my favorite. Okay, where is it now? Okay, again. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color?
Oh, my favorite color is pink or pink and purple. Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is ice cream. Okay, I like ice cream. Okay, what do you like to do?
What do you
Okay, again, maybe what do you like to do? Do you like to sing or play games or watch movie? Okay, again, what do you like to do?
I like to watch movie.
Okay, very good.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books. Okay. Do you have any brothers?
Mm, yes, I just have a two brother.
Very good.
Mm, do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have one brother and four sisters. Okay.
Wow.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat. What is the favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog. Okay. And what is your favorite thing to study?
My favorite subject is is um là ừm,
Mathematics or science or the subject you learn from school? What is your favorite?
ít color.
Okay. Do you like English? Do you like to study English?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you ask teacher back.
What is your favorite thing to study?
Study. Study.
Study.
Okay.
Study.
Very good. Again, my dear.
My
Okay.
favorite.
Again, my dear, ask teacher a question. What is your favorite?
What is the favorite thing to study?
Okay, very good. My favorite subject to study is language and science. Okay, science like Earth, like stars, like planets. Okay. Very good. Good job, my dear. High five. High five. Okay, very good. You did good tonight. Okay, I will share. Teacher will share now our lesson to continue our discussion. Okay, here we go now. Oh. Can you help teacher here? Can you read this one, my dear?
Reading and speaking.
Okay, again. Speaking.
Speaking.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we have to read this one. Okay, again, my dear.
This is Nick. He's some friend. He's 10. He's funny.
Okay, good job. Now, teacher will ask you a question. What is the name of this boy?
This is Nick.
Okay.
He's some friend.
Okay. Oh, okay. Take a while, my dear. Okay. How old is Nick? How old is Nick?
He's 10.
Okay, very good. And what kind of a boy is Nick?
He's funny.
Okay, yes, good job. Okay, let's go here, my dear. The next one. Okay, can you help teacher here? Can you read this one, please?
That's Alice.
Alice. Alice.
Alice.
Okay, again. Okay, my dear, please wait for a while. Okay, let's hear again the word.
Alice. Alice.
Alice.
Okay.
Alice.
Very good. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, here we go again. Okay, my dear, please read again.
C-A-C.
Okay, and okay, let's start here. And
the AC.
Alice.
Alice.
Okay. Cheese.
C. Lucy. Friend. C. 9 years old. C. Happy.
Okay. Again, what is the name of this girl?
Alice.
Okay. She is Alice.
She is Alice.
Okay. How old is she?
She 9 years old.
Very good. Okay. What kind of a girl is Alice?
She happy.
Okay, very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, high five again. Okay, correct. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the other one. Oh, you have to give your answer. You have to put circle. Okay, you have to circle your answer. Okay, here's the example. Is an elephant big or small?
Big.
Okay. Number 2, what is your answer? Is the dog happy or sad?
That is sad.
Okay, the dog is sad.
The dog is sad.
Okay. You put circle, my dear, on the word sad.
The dog are sad.
Okay. Can you put a circle on your answer? Okay. Please put circle. Okay. Very good. Good job. Number 3. Is the woman old or young?
Oh.
Okay. What is your answer? Put your answer in a circle. Okay, good job. Number 4. What is this?
Is
Okay, okay, that's the sound. Okay, this is a mouse. Okay, now is the mouse small or big?
the mouse.
Is small. Okay, very good. How about number 5?
That
What is this?
is cat.
Okay, it's a cat. So, is the cat, oh no, let's go. Is the cat sad or happy?
Happy.
Okay, you have to circle again your answer. Circle, circle. Okay, very good. Number 6. What is this?
Is baby.
Okay, good job. Is the baby young or old?
The baby is young.
Okay, put circle again on your answer. Okay, very good. And number 7, do you know what is this?
It's Tui.
Okay, this is let's put a name here, a clown. Okay, clown. Is the clown silly or sad?
Silly.
Okay, silly or happy? Very good. Now let us check your answer. Okay, number 2. Very good. Check. Number 3. Let's check. Very good again. Correct. Number 4. Again, correct. Good job, my dear. Okay, number 5. Another check. Number 6.
Yay!
Okay. And the last one, number 7. Yay! Okay. High five, my dear. Good job. Okay, you got it perfect. Correct. Very good. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, it's game time. Okay. You have to say, you have to guess who is in the picture, okay? Now let's open this puzzle. Oh, who is this one? Okay, who is this?
Is father and brother.
Okay, let us see if he is a father. Oh no, where is this? Oh no. Okay, let's open this up first. Oh no, where is the answer? Okay, we have. Oh no. Oh no. Okay,
Oh,
here. Oh,
no.
check. Okay, here. Okay, he is a father. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, another one. Let's open this up. Okay, who is that?
Grandmother.
Okay, let's check. Very good, grandmother. How about the next? Okay, who is this one? Oh no, there are so many of them. Okay. What do you call this picture?
Family.
Okay, yes. Let's see.
Family.
Yes, good job. Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay. Oh, I have another. Where is it now? Here, I have a gift for you. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, can you see it, my dear? Okay, this is Yellow Ducky. And she's happy for you because you got the correct answer. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. Who is that?
Is mother.
And?
Baby.
Very good. Okay, let's check. Yes, the mother with her baby. Okay, next. Oh, how about that one?
Is brother.
Okay, check. Very good. Good job. Another one. How about that?
Is sister.
Okay, let us see. Good job. Very good. Okay, another one. Oh, so cute.
Is baby.
Okay, baby. Very good. Okay, next. Another one. Oh no. Oh, here. Okay, who is this? Oh no, sorry. Okay, here. Who is that?
Is grandfather.
Yes, very good. Grandfather. Okay. And this one?
Mm.
Okay. Arf, arf, arf. What is that?
Is Gaga is dog.
Okay. Arf, 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 arf. Okay, check. Very good. How about this one? Oh no, sorry. The last one. Okay, what's that?
Is cat.
Okay. What's the sound of cat?
Mm. One. Ah.
Okay.
Mm.
I think it's a meow, meow. Is that it? Okay, that's the sound of cat. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. Now we have two. It's drawing time. Okay, can you read this one, my dear? Draw pictures.
Draw picture uh, uh, of two of your friend. Talk about your picture.
Okay, now you have to draw. Okay, let's draw here. Draw your friend. Okay, my dear, draw your friend.
Yes. Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, how about her dress? Okay, give her. Okay, what else?
Is
Okay, her feet. Okay, can you give her feet?
this other
Okay, how about the skirt?
hmm?
Okay. Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, let's put here. Okay, her feet and
Mm.
shoes. Okay, how to draw shoes. Oh no. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this is friend number one. What's her name? What is her name?
His name is Lo.
Okay, can you write it? Her name is
Her name is Lo.
Lo. How do you spell that? L. How do
Her,
you L? What's next?
mm, Is na.
Okay, how do you spell the name, my dear? Is her name Lu or O and U? Lu? Is that it?
Is no.
Okay, can you spell it? Okay, her name is... Can you write it? Okay, can you write it?
Na.
Oh, okay. What's that letter? Letter N. What's next?
And G.
Okay, G.
Ga.
Okay. And
L.
what? Oh, okay. You can say NGO.
NGO.
Okay, so her name is... How do you say that? Ngo?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, friend number 2. Can you draw it again? Friend number 2. Okay, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, oh, what is this? Oh, let's go back. Oh no, where is it? Oh no, my dear. Okay, you draw again.
No.
Okay. Okay, number 2. Friend number 2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, the other one. Okay, very good. Okay, with long hair. Smiling face and...
Please.
Okay, feet. Give her feet.
Yes.
Okay, how about here? Okay, let's give her a skirt. Here, another skirt. And also feet and shoes. Okay. Okay, what is her name?
Is
Her
the
her name.
her name is Diệp.
Okay, can you spell it again?
D I E P.
Okay, is that it?
Yes.
Okay, how do you say that?
Her name is Diệp.
Okay, so you have 2 friends. Okay, can you say it again? I have 2 friends. Her name is...
I have a two friend. Her name is Ngô. Her name is Diệp.
Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, another high five. Good job. Good job. Okay, Ducky is happy for you. Okay. Okay, my dear, that's great. You did great tonight. And you are improving Okay, the way you speak, you are improving. Very good. Okay, my dear, thank you for tonight. Okay, see you in our next class. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Happy evening.